Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever created a design in Canva and then needed it in a vector format, maybe for printing, scaling up your graphics, or using it in another design tool like Adobe Illustrator, this is the tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how to export your Canva design as an SVG vector file, so you can bring it straight into Adobe Illustrator for professional use. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident exporting high-quality vector graphics from Canva, even if you've never done it before. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up Canva, a great tool for easy design that doesn't require any fancy programs or steep learning curves. Once you're on the home screen, go up to the top and click Create a Design. This button is your gateway to tons of templates and formats Canva has to offer. Give it a click, and you'll see a search bar and a bunch of design type options appear. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to focus on stickers. Stickers are super popular for everything from business branding to fun personal projects like planners or laptop decals. Select the stickers option from the available templates. If you don't see it right away, just type stickers into the search bar. Canva will give you a whole bunch of pre-made sticker templates to jumpstart your creativity, or if you prefer, you can start from scratch. Choose a template that fits your vibe or your project needs. It doesn't have to be perfect right away since you'll be able to edit it to make it your own. After you've picked your template, spend some time customizing it. Change the colors, swap out the text, add your own graphics, or tweak the layout. Use the tools on the left-hand toolbar to upload your own images or play around with Canva's vast library of free icons and illustrations. Think of this like decorating a cake. You want to make it uniquely yours, so take your time. If you make a mistake or change your mind, don't worry, Canva's undo button has your back. Once your design looks just the way you want, it's time to get it out of Canva and into Adobe Illustrator as a vector file. Here, where the magic happens. Up in the top right corner of the Canva editor, click on the Share button. This opens up a menu with different options for sending or downloading your design. Find and select the Download option. Now, here's an important detail. To download your design as an SVG, you're going to need a Canva Pro account. The SVG format is key if you want to keep everything crisp when resizing, and it makes editing those elements later in Illustrator a breeze. If you're on a free account, you'll see a little crown icon next to SVG and you'll be prompted to upgrade. But if you do have Pro, just choose SVG from the list of file types. Take a second to double-check your download settings, then hit Download. This part might take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your design, so don't worry if it's not instant. After your download is complete, you now have an SVG file ready to go. Simply open up Adobe Illustrator and drop your new file right in. You'll be able to edit every part of your design, scale it up for printing, or integrate it with other projects. It's as easy as that, no fussing with low-res images or worrying about pixelation. And that's it. You've just gone from Canva design to a full-fledged vector file ready for professional use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm here to help. And of course, if you want more step-by-step tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching and happy designing.